Dennis Nigwe together with Mark Angel built the Mark Angel Comedy brand to its peak. Mark Angel Comedy became the first YouTube channel to gain huge subscribers in Nigeria. However, after the Christmas of 2018 and the Mark Angel Comedy tour, Dennis Nigwe began missing in every debut of Mark Angel Comedy videos. This left fans dumbfounded and began to wonder if there is any indoor feud between Dennis Nigwe and Mark Angel. Apart from the missing face of Dennis Nigwe, roles were also changed. A new director was emerged, new child actor that's Anti-Success was introduced to Mark Angel's cast. This got fans even more confused about what's going on, since neither of the two never said something about it. While this was going on, Dennis Nigwe rebranded his own YouTube channel, which he created in 2015. Dennis Nigwe secretly deleted all Mark Angel's posts on his Instagram page. He also created a WhatsApp group chat where he gathered fans to be sharing his comedy videos on their status. Now the big question is, what exactly is going on between Dennis Nigwe and Mark Angel? Don't worry, calm down, I'm not asking you the question, but in this video I'm going to answer the question. Please make sure you watch this video to the end to know the main reason why Dennis Nigwe left Mark Angel Comedy. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Well, according to my sources, it was revealed that Dennis Nigwe left Mark Angel Comedy because Mark Angel houses all the revenue they generate from the crew, and also that he gives Emmanuel a token of 50,000 naira monthly. According to a Facebook page which has over 80,000 likes and followers, who verbally interviewed Dennis Nigwe stated the reason why he left Mark Angel Comedy. The Facebook post says, "Why I left Mark Angel Comedy, Dennis Nigwe reveals." Few days after the news of the exit from Mark Angel Comedy went viral, the talented comedian has come out to reveal the main reason behind his action. The comedian, who is also a co-founder of the said comedy series, which was founded in 2013. According to the comedian, the comedy's namesake, Mark Angel, is eating all the money in Mark Angel Comedy. Read below. "I quit Mark Angel Comedy because Mark is eating all the money in Mark Angel Comedy. A lot of people think Emanuela is the richest kid in Nigeria, but that's not true. Mark pays Emanuela 50,000 naira every month for the past 5 years. And when I told him it's not right, he brought Success as a substitute to Emanuela. Emanuela doesn't have a car, but I do because I'm a grown-up. Emanuela is a minor. I have all the proof of how we started Mark Angel Comedy. I was the first to bring Emanuela to the scene. That was when she acted Mess. I am the oldest actor. I started acting before Mark. I was only looking for a mean to present it. That was why I named it Mark Angel Comedy. I succeed today because God is helping me in one way and the other, but not because of Mark Angel Comedy. Even it got to a point that I had to stop going to shows with them. Because once we make the money, because the name is Mark Angel Comedy, Mark will take it, and it looks like I'm just working for nothing." Dennis Nigwe is a famous Nigerian YouTube celebrity and comedian. He was born in the southeastern part of Nigeria but grew up in Port Harcourt, the southern part of Nigeria. In 2012, Dennis Nigwe met his friend Mark Angel, and together both of them decided to start a media organization which is based on comedy. That idea gave to birth to Mark Angel Comedy, which is a weekly comedy skit published every Friday on YouTube. In 2014, Dennis Nigwe rose to fame after featuring in the popular comedy skit God Bless You, where he played the role of a funny pastor who failed because a member of his church brought a big amount of money for his tithes. Dennis Nigwe, alongside with Mark Angel and Emanuela, has received a lot of awards both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. But recently, due to money issue between Mark Angel and Dennis Nigwe, they parted ways, and Dennis Nigwe rebranded his own YouTube channel which he created in 2015. Do you actually think leaving Mark Angel crew was a nice decision for Dennis Nigwe? Drop your opinion in the comment section and continue to watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, Ejimozy. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you. Continue with the video.
Anybody I've wronged, anybody I did something, I want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. You know, I'm a human, sometimes I make mistakes. So I want to say cheers to the good life.
It's hot out here. As you can see, I'm speaking like a white man. I just speak like white people. Man, it's hot here. Oh. Yeah, no December Nigeria at all. Now the kind of song with the I carry water, the thing block. Is that irony?
Sun is catching me.
Sun is catching you. Now cool. Sun too much here. Oh. Hey, Nemo.
Since yesterday, my belly have been paining me. I don't know what I eat. Wait, is it because yesterday I swallow my pride and tell my girlfriend sorry? It's after I swallow my pride that this belly started paining me. Hey, my pride is paining my belly. It's like I swallow pride and spoil. I'll swallow sour pride. Yeah?
Please, all these people saying that they started with a high on social media, the thing now ended up in marriage. Which part of social media are you people doing? Because the side that I am doing, they are not replying my high. Is it capital letter high or small letter high that you people are doing? Because my own here. Or is it that God has not blessed my high? Lord, touch my high. Father, touch my high. That person not think that I'm dragging something with Don Jazzy.
a boy